Hey guys, thanks for joining the Hair Bow Master. We are going to be making a basic twisted boutique bow. So we're going to start with the first loop that is going to be on the top right, and you just fold it over and just kind of make the loop the size that you want it to be and put it a little bit at an angle and then kind of twist it a little. That's kind of where it gets its name. Then take that the long part and cross it over just like you see here, and make sure they're even. Just kind of eyeball it and make sure that that top point is kind of lined up with the other part of the ribbon. Now we're going to do the bottom loop, so you're going to like just slide it in between where your thumb is and that bottom loop there, and try to make that even with the one that's right next to it. And make sure you hold that really good, and take this last one and we are going to just loop it right over the center there. And as you can see by the angles, we get these cute little loop-de-loops here, and you can just kind of move them around a little to make sure that they're even, and make sure that you hold on to it good. And you can use a clip to help you after you've got it set where you want to while you're sewing it. But just take your needle and thread at this point, and we're going to go through from the front to the back up, back again, up again, and then one more time back again and up again, and that way we have 3 ridges there. And just squish those ridges together and hold those really good. Pull your needle through, leave a little bit of a tail so you can tie it, and then wrap it around a good 2 or 3 times, and then just tie it off on the back part there. Give it a good square knot so it'll hold really well. Okay, now just trim it off, and then we are going to work on making the little ends even by trimming them and sealing the ends. So to get your bow to kind of get the shape you want, you can kind of twist it and turn it to get it to set right and everything. Make sure everything's fluffed out the way you want it to be and stuff. And then now we're going to work on the tails, so just trim it to be a little bit longer than what the loops are. And you could trim these straight like you see right here, or you can even trim them with like a little triangle at the end. But I think they look better with them just straight. That's just what I prefer. And just make sure you seal those ends with your lighter so that they don't fray. Okay, so now we're going to put the centerpiece on. Make sure you seal the ends of that and just set it into your alligator clip. And then we're going to put a drop of glue right there so that it'll stay. And just stick that right to the alligator clip there. And just leave just a touch hanging over. Now turn your bow over and put a drop of glue in the center of your bow, and then stick your alligator clip right to that. Make sure the flat part's up against it. And then we're going to wrap that ribbon in the center right around to the back again, and then just trim it off just enough to kind of go back over the clip, and then make sure you seal that end too so it doesn't fray. Then get your glue gun and put a drop of glue under there and just put it over top of the other ribbon that we have in the center there. And that's it. You have a simple basic twisted boutique bow.